Today gue akan menggambar graffiti karakter cuy. Oke, step pertama gue googling untuk cari referensi cuy. Di sini gue record jam 4 sorean cuy. Jadi gue bakal record sampai malam kayaknya. Waktu udah larut malam, gue mau menuju ke tempat tidur gue untuk tidur cuy, dan gue lanjutin besok. Dan ini dia hasil sketching gue semalam cuy. Gue bikin 3 karakter. Nice. Untuk karakter gue yang cewek ini gue dapet referensi dari pacar si Raja Arab, si Wendy Walter cuy. Fashionnya kayak gini. Dan untuk karakter gue yang ini gue pakai karakter official gue cuy, si Inket. Next step gue akan kasih bebek gue untuk lining cuy.
You would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know.
Di sini gue pakai marker snowman cuy ya, warna hitam untuk ngarsir warna-warna yang harus ditebelin agar lebih mempercepat waktu cuy. Oh shit, marker gue habis cuy ternyata. Rip my black marker cuy, fix. Di sini gue akan kubur marker gue cuy. Goodbye black marker.
Makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
Next step, time to coloring.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I?
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp, make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Finishing and done. Oke, mungkin sampai sini videonya. Thanks for watching. Dan jangan lupa bantu support gue dengan klik subscribe di sini, cuy. Dan kalian juga bisa komentar di bawah, komentar apa aja, asal jangan bully gue, cuy. Jika kalian mau nonton video lainnya, kalian bisa klik di sini dan like videonya kalau kalian suka. Oke, see you the next video. Gue iqbal, hardear. Keep respect and happy drawing and